Hi guys, and thank you for watching this episode of Cooking with Benoit. Today I will prepare one of the Americans' favorite tasty yet easy to make recipe, the apple pecan chicken salad with a French twist from Burgundy. What you will need to make the apple chicken pecan salad for 4 is 8 ounces of chicken breast that you will have to cut in chunks, half a cup of toasted pecan nuts, 1 green apple washed and diced.
French word of the day.
The French word of the day is pomme for apple. Pomme. 1 medium-sized sliced red onion, half a cup of Greek yogurt, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of apple vinegar, 1 tablespoon of mustard, from Dijon, please. It's better. Fry chicken chunks in a pan with 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. And chop apple in dice. Set aside and let it cool down. Toast pecan in a pan for 5 minutes. Slice onion. Mix yogurt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, vinegar and mustard in a salad bowl. Season to taste, salt and pepper, and mix. Add the chicken chunks, pecan, apple and onion and mix. Voila! I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, so please give a thumb up to show your support. You may also want to comment and tell me what you think about this recipe. Maybe some ingredients are missing. Maybe I'd use ingredients you were not expecting to. You know, that's the surprise of the day, I would say. Also, subscribe to the Cooking with Benoit channel to be notified about all our new videos. It helps us a lot. In the meantime, merci, au revoir et à bientôt!